Alright, it's John here, and we are ready to move on to Project Euler problem number 9. It's called a special Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet is a set of three natural numbers a less than b less than c, for which a squared plus b squared equals c squared. For example, 3, 4, 9. And then there exists only one Pythagorean triplet for which a plus b plus c equals 1,000. Find the product ABC. Alright, let's do this. We are going to do a do all command on a for expression, and let's define a is the range 1 through 1,000, and let's say b is the range a through 1,000, and c is in the range of b through 1,000. Then we always have the property that c and b are going to be bigger than the one before that. So that gets us set up with that. Okay, so now what we want to do is, with this for expression, we can almost just write down the problem definition and just let it tell us the answer. So let's do that. So first we're going to define some let variables. So let's just do a squared is equal to a times a, b squared is equal to b times b, and we've got c squared is equal to c times c, and then we want this whole thing to terminate. Let's put down our expression. What we want to do is just have it tell us a, b, and c. It's going to be our answer. Right outside of the definition here. Okay, so it's going to do this for loop. We give it what it's going to loop through. We make some temporary variables, a squared plus b squared plus c squared. After our for loop executes, it's going to output a, b, and c, and we only want it to execute when we have two conditions. We want to do and on the fact that 1,000 is equal to the sum a, b, and c, and also that c squared is equal to a squared and plus b squared. So let's evaluate that, and hopefully that will just tell us the answer. Alright, if you hear the CPU burning, it's getting hot as it goes through all these combinations. And here we go. It's done already. 200, 375, and 275. So that looks like that adds up right. And then let's see, if we do times 200 times 200, and we add 375 times 375, then we get 180,625, and let's just do 425 times 425, and that checks out. So it looks like a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and a plus b plus c equals 1,000. So that must be the right answer. Oh, so finally, actually we didn't want to return that. We wanted to multiply those together. So let's just run it again. Didn't take too long. So I'll run that and wait patiently while it brute forces its way through this problem. There we go. There's a CPU fan kicking in, and there we have it. 3187500 3187500 37361. Let's check it. And we got it right. Okay, thank you for watching.